Hi, it's Harry from Invoice Stack. Today I'm going to walk you through how to install Invoice Stack into your HubSpot account. It's really easy, just takes 5 to 10 minutes. To get started, all you'll need is a login to your HubSpot account and access to either Xero or QuickBooks. If you don't have access to QuickBooks or Xero, you can either invite a colleague to help by following the prompts during setup, or set up a free trial to test the app. No data or invoices will sync with Xero, QuickBooks, or HubSpot unless you take an action. Let's get started. You can install Invoice Stack with a free trial from either the Invoice Stack website at invoicestack.co or from the HubSpot app marketplace. Here's the registration page. I'm going to put in my email address, name, company name, and set up a password. Finally, I just need to check this box to say that I agree to the terms of service and click register. Now I have a login, I can connect a company here. If you've tried Invoice Stack in the past, or you think someone else in your company has already started the process, stop here and get in touch with the support team instead. They'll be happy to help you get linked up to the right account or extend your trial. This is because accounting platforms can only connect to one Invoice Stack account at a time. Here I'm going to enter my company name and my country. This is used for billing. Now I need to connect up my HubSpot account. A reminder, no data gets synced without you creating an invoice. The only thing that will change when you install the app is we will create empty properties to sync data to. All I need to do is click this button to start the process, but you also have the invite link here. You'll be asked to log into your HubSpot account and select the correct portal. Next, this next screen will show you all the permissions that Invoice Stack is asking for. Invoice Stack's a HubSpot certified app. This means we're regularly audited by the HubSpot team to make sure we're using your data in the right way. If you're comfortable with these permissions, check the box and click Connect App. Back on our dashboard, and you can see that we're now connected. We can move to the next step. Now you need to connect your accounting platform. I'm going to show you the process of connecting a Xero account, but the process is the same for QuickBooks Online. Again, I'll need to log into Xero, and if I have more than one Xero account, I'll be given the option to select which organization from this drop-down at the top. You'll see the permissions we're asking for. We're an authorized Xero app partner, so again, we've done extra checks to make sure that we're using your data in the right way so that we're featured in the Xero App Store. If I'm comfortable with this access, I'm going to click Allow Access. Back on Invoice Stack, I can see we're connected and we can move to the next step. Now tell us about how you're using invoices. These options differ a little bit if you're using QuickBooks or Xero, but I'll walk you through the process anyway. You can always come back and change these settings. The first question is, how will you be sending invoices to customers? Here you have two options. You can either send from Invoice Stack, which gives you rich templates, customization, and email status inside HubSpot, or you can choose to send them from your accounting platform. Now choose your permissions. As standard, your sales team can create the invoices inside HubSpot and send them straight away. Strict mode allows you to restrict this to draft invoices, and only your finance team can send the invoices from the accounting platform. Next, if you're using Xero, we'll ask whether you want to match each line with a Xero product. This is helpful to automatically set accounts and taxes. You can click this link to find out more about using products. Next, we're going to pick whether you're billing individuals or companies. If you're B2B, companies is usually the best option. Finally, you can automatically fill out invoice fields on your invoices. In Xero, you'll have a reference field, and in QuickBooks, you'll see custom fields. This helps you map extra data from HubSpot into your invoices. So you could use a purchase order number, an internal job ID, or even just the deal name. To do that, I'm just going to click in the box and choose deal name from the property list here. Finally, here's the most important step. We need to add the app cards to your sidebar so that you can create invoices from your deals. You may be familiar with this step from other apps. Click this link to go direct into HubSpot. You'll see here the Create Invoices card, and click Manage Locations. Enable it on your deals and click Save. Now I'm going to head back to my app and finish onboarding. And that's the setup done. Here's your Invoice Stack dashboard. We have a feed on the right-hand side with a list of actions and next steps. You can also get back to any of the screens you just saw, see detailed settings, and connect or disconnect your HubSpot, Xero, or QuickBooks account right from the dashboard here. Finally, there's a subscription section for when you're ready to check out. The last thing we need to do is find our deal inside HubSpot and start up Invoice Stack. I'm going to click this button to go to my deals inside HubSpot. Here's a deal I created earlier. You'll now see Invoice Stack showing on the right-hand side, but you might need to scroll to the bottom to find it. Now might be a good time to review this section and rearrange the cards and remove any you don't need. For example, we recommend that you remove HubSpot's built-in invoices, payments, and subscriptions. You can do this and edit visibility by team or deal stage by clicking Customize right at the top. Finally, hit Create Invoices to start up Invoice Stack. So that's the end of the install process. Hopefully it looks pretty easy. Now it's time to try it yourself. If you have any trouble getting installed, just contact our support team and they'll be there ready to help. For next steps, once you've installed the app, please find our other videos on our website to start creating your first invoice. Thanks for watching.